Let me be honest with you. Most digital fashion designers don't lose clients because their designs are bad. They lose clients because they don't speak. Not because they can't speak English, because they avoid it. And if you're a freelance digital fashion designer, that silence is expensive. English is not about sounding smart, it's about being reachable. Most international clients speak English. Most platforms, briefs, contracts, tutorials, and communities in digital fashion are in English. Clottery, Blender, freelance platforms, global brands, English is the default language. If you don't speak it, you're not bad, but you are limiting your market on purpose. And talent alone doesn't cross borders, communication does. Let's be honest again. Most of us don't avoid English because we don't know enough words. We avoid it because we're scared of sounding stupid. We reject calls, we ask clients to just text, we prepare perfect scripts and then never use them. We wait until we feel ready. But readiness doesn't come first. Exposure does. Every call you reject teaches your brain that fear is the right decision, and that becomes a habit. You don't need academic English, you don't need perfect grammar, you need to explain your design process, to ask questions, to talk about revisions, to define your design decisions, to talk about deadlines and pricing. That's it. Broken English with confidence is more valuable than perfect English in silence. Clients don't hire accents, they hire clarity and trust. This part is uncomfortable, but important. If you keep rejecting calls because of your English, you are training yourself to stay small. Bad calls are not failures, they're training. One awkward call teaches you more than 10 hours of passive learning. You will misunderstand, you will pause, you will say the wrong word. That's how speaking is built. If you don't have clients yet, you have no excuse. Use ChatGPT as a client, not as a teacher. Ask it to act like a fashion brand, a startup founder, a difficult client, a client with a low budget. Then explain your design, talk about your workflow, answer questions. Handle revisions. Speak out loud. Don't write, don't edit, don't correct mid-sentence. If you can't explain your work to an AI client, you won't explain it clearly to a real one. Here's a simple system. Every week, 3 voice conversations in English, 1 simulated client call, 1 5-minute explanation of a design recorded without a script. Watch it once, cringe, move on. Confidence is built through repetition, not reassurance. Your accent is not the problem. Your grammar is not the problem. Your fear of being hard is. Speak badly, speak slowly, speak wrong, but speak. If you're a digital fashion freelancer and English scares you, you're not alone. But staying silent is a choice. If this hit you, comment below. Tell me what scares you the most, calls, accent, or confidence. And this week, don't reject a call.